Hey everybody, wanted to take a few minutes this week and talk about writing essay 1. Now, if you've had me before, you'll notice that this essay assignment is really different than the other writing you've done for my English classes. And for some of you, it may be really different from any other writing you've done for other English classes. So because this is a reader response critical approach, this is all about you and your interaction, your relationship with the text. You'll see the little image I put here. Here's the text, here's you as the reader, and where those intersect and overlap is our reader response critical approach. So you will be using first person in this essay. I, me, my is completely acceptable and actually what you want to be doing. Because again, this essay is about you and your interaction and relationship with the text that you're writing about. You do not want to use second person. If you use the word you, then you're talking to your reader, but this isn't about your reader. This is about I or me or my response to the text. So as you begin the process, I've given you plenty of resources here this week, and I just want to walk you through them so as to not overwhelm you with the amount I have posted. So first, review the essay assignment. There are questions there that will help prompt your thinking and brainstorming and make sure that you're staying on the right track. Next, I've posted one of my favorite essays. It's a chapter from the book Bird by Bird by Anne Lamott. It's called Shitty First Drafts, and it's actually changed the way I approach writing. Completely undid everything I thought about drafting and has made me such a stronger writer because of it. So if you've not read this essay before, please take a few minutes to read it. I think it will really help you as you move into your draft for essay 1. Next, I've given you a sample outline. So same structure as any other essay you've ever written. We're going to have an introduction, a body, and a closing. And I've given some examples of what might be in an intro. So in the intro, you're going to introduce the text's title and author, so I know which text you're talking about, and then also general theme and connection. So I've given an example that I drafted right there. And then, of course, end your introduction with your thesis, which is your one-sentence main idea of your whole essay. Your body then, the first body paragraph is going to be a brief summary of the text that you are about to write about to set context for your reader for the rest of the essay. So spend one paragraph giving a brief summary of the story or the poems themselves. And then the following body paragraphs are going to be the development of your ideas, your connection to the text. So I gave an example topic sentence here. And then to develop each body paragraph, to figure out what to write in those paragraphs, I have the Axis model. And this is a model or a template for building body paragraphs out. And so if I click on that, I've got it open here, hopefully. You will see the Axis template. The A is for assertion or your topic sentence. The X is for the example or textual evidence. The E is the explanation, and S is significance. And again, I've created an example of what a body paragraph might be like or sound like for a reader response essay. So this is an example body paragraph for essay 1. So a number of resources I've put together here that will hopefully help you in the drafting. Don't get overwhelmed by them. Just take the bits and pieces that you can and draft your essay 1. You will be posting for the peer review, and I will give feedback on all the essays as well. So you'll have comments from your classmates, and you'll also have comments from me. As you're working on drafting your essay this week, let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and happy writing.